After we have unpacked the program, let's install all the dependencies. Launch this file here. You need to wait a few minutes while the necessary dependencies for the program are downloaded and installed. The installation is complete as soon as you see this message. Accordingly, you can close this window. Close the window, and in order to launch the program, we need to register at least one account. Open this file here and enter your phone number. Save this file, close it, and launch the AutoResponder. The AutoResponder has started. Here we see the one account we entered. Here we have the option to switch languages. Switch to the language you need. A red dot next to the account means the account is not authorized. That means you need to go and scan the QR code. Sometimes the QR code doesn't appear right away. In that case, you can close this window, go to all accounts, and then return to this account to scan the QR code again. Scan the QR code? How do you do that? It's indicated here, whether for Android or for iPhone. And we log in. After logging in, we can see that we've already received some message